Look, people are making real money with ChatGPT, and I just confirmed it right now. In fact, let me show you real proof right now. I don't know if you can see this clearly. Don't worry, I'll share my screen with you in a few seconds. This is over 370,000 naira with the help of ChatGPT. And the beautiful part is that this is not just theory, it is something practical that you can do as well with just your smartphone and internet connection. This is a dashboard on where I make my sales. This is where I host my product seller. And as you can see right now, I've made a total of 67 sales, and this is over 372,000. This is exactly 372,150 naira. Yeah, over 370,000 naira with the help of ChatGPT. I'm going to refresh this page right now. This is real, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. Now, here is why you need to pay close attention to this video to the very end. I'm going to reveal everything to you step by step without holding anything back. We are going to use ChatGPT to create a digital product, and then we are going to use 2 other AI to complete the whole process and start making money. See, I cannot promise you that you are going to make 370,000 naira just like I did, but I can guarantee that you may probably make your first 50k just like a beginner. Yes, make sure you watch this video to the very end because I already break down the process into 3 phases, and we're going to start with phase 1 right now, using ChatGPT to create your digital products in less than 30 minutes. Alright, now let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to create your first digital product right now. What we are going to work with in this particular video is ebook. Yeah, there are different kind of digital products you can create. You can create worksheets, you can create templates, you can create a whole lot of different things, but ebook is specifically what we are going to work with, and that's the method I use personally to make over 370,000 naira with the help of ChatGPT. So guys, the simple first step you need to do is pick a niche. You see, I'm right here on ChatGPT right now. Before you touch ChatGPT, you need to know what you are creating on. Here's a simple rule: pick a niche where people are already spending money. That's the fastest way to win. So let me give you an example: health and fitness. Yes, things like weight loss guide, home workout prep, meal planners, or meal prep books. Yeah, you can. Another niche is something like lifestyle and hobbies. People want to learn how to play guitar, something like that, painting acts, different kind of things, even pet training manuals. Yeah, the work. So you should pick something people are already spending money on. Yes, that's the secret. Basically, if people are googling it, it means people are searching for it on YouTube, or maybe people are asking questions about it. Then there's already a demand for it, and demand equals money. So guys, once you pick a niche, the step 2 you need to do is you need to decide the type of product. See, you don't have to overcomplicate it here. Your first product should be very simple. Something like an ebook, a digital guide. It should be simple, or maybe even a set of templates. Yes, those are easy to make and fast to finish, and people are used to paying for them. And once you pick a niche, you decide the kind of product. ChatGPT can help you with all these things, but follow me. You decide the kind of product, then you want to give ChatGPT a clear instruction, and that's the step we are going into right now. Here's where it gets fun. You don't need to be a writer before you can use ChatGPT the right way and get the best out of it. I'm going to show you everything right here step by step. So right now, usually for me, I like to use this option of dictate. Yes, or if you prefer voice mode, but I prefer dictate. You don't have to type everything, just speak directly to ChatGPT and it will give you what you want. So what you want to do first is you want to try and select a niche, and I want to believe you've done that, but you can use ChatGPT to get an idea. So let's say you are picking the niche of a health and finance niche, a health and wellness niche, or maybe finance niche, whatever it is, and then you want to give ChatGPT clear instructions. So for me, let's just go ahead and chat with ChatGPT right now. Hello ChatGPT, I'm trying to create my first digital product in the health and wellness niche. Okay, so I need your help regarding the kind of digital product I should create and which one will sell very fast. It's that simple and straightforward. You just have to get started with it and you're going to enjoy it. So can you see right now, ChatGPT already transcribed my voice into the text. ChatGPT, I'm trying to create my first digital product in the health and wellness niche. Okay, so let's change it to health and fitness, and that's where my typing comes in. I can always edit this. So okay, so I need your help regarding the kind of digital product I should create and which one will sell very fast. Usually for me, I prefer digital products as in ebooks. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT I'm trying to go as fast as possible, so I prefer digital product as an ebook. So give me a list of topics I could create on regarding this niche, and it's that simple and straightforward. So let's allow ChatGPT to pick that. Can you see? I'm trying to go as fast as possible, blah blah blah. Then you click on send. Let's allow ChatGPT to work on it for us now. Okay, so right now ChatGPT is saying they are fast selling fitness ebook ideas. We have 30 days home workout plan, no equipment needed. We have the basic professional 15 minutes workout guide. Can you see? Body weight transformation, the ultimate beginner. Can you see? ChatGPT gave us based on fast selling fitness ebook ideas. It gave us based on nutrition and diet ebook ideas. It gave us lifestyle and motivation ebook ideas. And can you see? So do you hear me? ChatGPT is even asking that if I want it to narrow the list down to the top 3 fastest selling ebook ideas. So I'll just go ahead and tell ChatGPT to narrow it down. Narrow it to top 3. It's as simple as that. You don't have to stress yourself so much. Can you see? The first idea right now is 30-day home workout plan, no equipment needed, and then I'm going to work with that. Can you see? ChatGPT is even telling us why it sells faster. The beautiful thing about ChatGPT right now is that most people don't understand that this thing is now well developed. It's just like a baby about 2 years ago, or let me say whatever it came into existence. Now it's an adult who fully understand how to integrate all the data and utilize it for the maximum opportunity. So it does all the major work for you. So it's already telling me why it sells faster, the audience and the speed factor, guys. So I'm going to go with 30-day workout plan, and now I'm going to give you a prompt you can use. So I just have to copy this right now. 30-day home workout plan, no equipment needed. Can you see? ChatGPT is already even asking me that do I want him to outline one of these ebooks step by step chapter. So this is what you're going to tell ChatGPT. So I'm going with, so I want to work, let me use this. I want to work with this. Oh no. I want to work with this 30-day home workout plan. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me. Let me just dictate to it. I want to create an ebook about this particular topic, 30-day home workout plan, no equipment needed. So I want you to outline a 10 chapter that will take someone from zero knowledge to everything they need about home workout plan. The main idea is just to get as detailed as possible when it comes to prompting ChatGPT. Let me even just erase that and send this to show you that ChatGPT knows exactly how to go about it. So I don't even mention the fact that I want to do an outline, but ChatGPT already made it an outline, ebook outline, 30-day home workout plan. Can you see? Introduction, getting started, warm up and cool down guide, 30-day plan, bonus tips, tracking progress, conclusion, and extra. Can you see? And let me just tell you the secret. The secret right now is most people, when they want to do something like this, they want to create the whole ebook in just one prompt, and that's why they end up producing a low content, or let me say below average kind of work. No, what you should do instead is allow ChatGPT to work on it chapter by chapter. That's how you can get the best out of it, and then you'll be able to put out very high value information. Yes, so that's where most beginners mess up. They don't just tell ChatGPT to write you a full ebook. Tell ChatGPT to you're going to get generic boring stuff. So tell ChatGPT to go chapter by chapter, write one chapter of this book, make it like 1,500 words. ChatGPT is going to work on it fully. Conversational type of book with real world examples and practical experience. Yes, now you get a solid draft from ChatGPT. Then you're going to polish and personalize this. So can you see? Do you want me to grab the extracts? Can you see? ChatGPT is already asking us, do you want me to grab the extracts they want to send workout plan? No. So what I want ChatGPT to do is, let's work on it chapter by chapter. You can always dictate to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, I want us to work on this thing chapter by chapter. We're going to start with chapter 1 of the ebook, which is the introduction. It should be at least 1,000 words, and it should be a no fluff, no boring stuff, not the generic content type, something high valuable that the buyers will find worthy and they will be glad they did. Just allow ChatGPT to do the work for you, do the magic for you, and then you can see, and then you click on send. So right now I'm just going to pause this video, follow the same pattern to generate the whole book chapter by chapter, and then this is exactly how you need to replicate it for the whole chapter to generate the full ebook. Yes, it's that simple and straightforward. So I'm just going to do that to save time, and once I'm done, I'll come back to continue this video to share other steps with you guys. Right now, I already used ChatGPT to generate most of the books, and right now we are going into the main step 2. So you need to design it like a real product, because nobody is going to buy if you just make it casual. So we are going to use another tool, which is Canva, to design our book cover. But before that, let me show you something really quick. As you can see right here, I use Google Doc to format all the text. Let me show you a quick, I don't want the video to be too long, that's why I had to pause it and do the most of the work. So let me show you a quick summary of what I did right here. So I asked ChatGPT again after what we did before. I asked ChatGPT to help me come up with 10 chapters outline for this video. Can you see? It's nothing so boring or something too long. So ChatGPT gave me 10 chapter outline, chapter 1, chapter 2, up to chapter 10. Now I started telling ChatGPT to expand one chapter at a time. So we started with chapter 1, and then it went ahead and gave me everything you're seeing right here. And then I told him, ChatGPT, expand chapter 2. It's that simple and straightforward till you are done with the whole thing. And then even when you are done, you tell ChatGPT to give you book cover design ideas. So I was just basically, I opened the Google Google document, and I started putting everything right there. I started transferring everything right there. You can use any note-taking app on your phone, whatever it is. And can you see, this is the 30-day home workout plan. Chapter 1, introduction. Can you see? We have it like that. And then we have chapter 2, up to everything just like that. So once you're done, you want to let ChatGPT give you idea for the book cover. And this is exactly what I did. I told ChatGPT that I quickly need to work on the ebook cover design, and see, ChatGPT gave me the whole design concept for the ebook. So you just have to go to Canva and select templates. So once you come to Canva, you can use a free account. You don't have to pay for any software. Search for ebook templates just like I did right here, and you can see these are different ebook templates. Some of these templates are free while some are paid. So you just have to ensure you're selecting the free ones. So which one should we select? Let me take a look right here. This one looks like what we want, but it's a paid one, so I'm looking for a free one. This is actually a free one, so I'm going to select this that we can use. So I need to customize this template right now, and I already asked ChatGPT to give me an idea on how it's going to be, and ChatGPT did that already. ChatGPT said the title should be 30-day home workouts plan, and the subtitle should be no equipment needed, get fit anytime, anywhere. And the style, it should be clean and bold. And you can see imagery, a person doing a bodyweight exercise, format ebook. Can you see? ChatGPT can even go ahead and generate this ebook cover, but I don't want to use ChatGPT for that. Yes, so you need to, let me just use this Canva to do it, and I'm also maybe going to try to use ChatGPT to generate the ebook cover for you to see. But let's design it first on Canva, and I don't want this to take a lot of time, so I'll just copy and paste. ChatGPT said the title should be 30-day workouts plan, as you can see right here. I'll copy that and come right here and change this to that. No, I'm not editing from the app. Okay guys, so I'm just going to change this to that, and what I need to do right now is reduce the font size. I need to reduce it so that it doesn't go beyond. Let me just change it to something like 40. I think 40 should be okay. 40 should be okay. All right, or let's expand it a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, okay, this seems perfect. Then international best-selling author, you are not an international best-selling author, so you don't have to put that right there. So let me just find something else. I think I can put the subtitle as that small heading. Yes, as you can see from this thing, it's not so big, so it can stay right there. So I'm just going to reduce the font so that it fits in exactly. Let me show you guys. See, no equipment needed, get fit anytime, anywhere. Let me just make it a little bold so that it is more visible, and then expand a bit. Then let me ensure it is center aligned, and also ensure I'm placing it in the center of the page. Yes, no equipment needed, and maybe if we change the color to something like black, maybe it will stand out better. So I'm not actually a graphic designer, and you don't even need any graphic design skill to be able to do this. So can you see, it's that simple. No equipment needed, get fit anytime, anywhere. I don't like this font because it's not making it show very well. So I'm just going to change the font to something else. Okay, this makes sense now. So no equipment needed, get fit anytime, anywhere. So I'm just going to drag this up a little bit so it doesn't feel distant. Then ChatGPT said we should use a person doing a bodyweight exercise as the imagery of our ebook cover, or maybe abstract energy lines or simple modern grading. So I prefer this bodyweight exercise stuff. So I'm just going to replace this particular image right here. This one you can see. Okay, seems like I cannot replace it, but let's change the name. You're going to change it to your name. So let me just put my name right here, Sadiq. Then I'm going to find this under this design, no, not template, elements. Then you're going to search for, you want to change this. Let me check on that elements. Workout. What do ChatGPT say we should check for? Body weight exercise. Just or let's just put exercise, whatever it is. Let me just try this and see the kind of images ChatGPT gives me. Can you see some of the things will be, some of them will be, no, it should be under elements. So some will be free, some will be paid. You just have to select the free ones to start with. So let's check very well. Okay, this is free, these ones are free, and I just want something that will be able to replace this particular image. So when you're doing your own, you don't have to use an image like this, but because food kind of relates with exercise, that's what I'm going to leave it. And I'm not a graphic designer, I'm not trying to make this thing look like so perfect. If you're someone that is so much obsessed about perfection, you need to hire someone to do the design cover, but that's not what's going to bring the money, but it's a plus. So if you can hire someone to design it, no, this does not make sense. Let's change it to something else. Let's find something else to use. Let me just see, or let me check the photos. And no, I think graphics should be better. Graphics should be better. And let's check which one can we use. Okay, I think I like this, and it can fit well. Honestly, it could be as simple as this. So once you're done like this, you just have to export your book, and then you're done, and come to your document right here and input the image as the title right here. Let me do that with you. If you have the time, you can use ChatGPT to design the whole book, but it doesn't matter. As long as the information is valuable, people are going to pay, even if you have it on a Word document. Just ensure you design the cover page very well, either by paying a designer or doing it yourself with Canva. So I'm just going to try and export this video right now. This image rather, I'm just going to download it right now and save it as JPG and download right now. Okay, it's already downloading, and it's that simple and straightforward, guys. So once the download is complete, I'm just going to come here and insert the image. I'm going to upload it from my computer. I downloaded just now. Downloads. Yes. Guys, can you see it's that simple and straightforward, and immediately you prep everything in your book. You can then cancel this one out because you have your thing already. Then you can go ahead. The best thing is to polish and personalize this. Go ahead and do the chapter. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm still going to cut a lot of parts out of this video, so go ahead and do the chapter by chapter, do the outline, and then once you are done, that's just the first step. Now let's go into how you make money with this particular information. Now you might be wondering, this still looks pretty amazing, but how exactly do you make money from it? So just as simple as it is to create digital products, it is also simple to get to make money from it. I'm not even kidding. It's not theory, it's not luck, it's just strategy, and that's exactly what I'll be breaking down in my private community. All you need to do right now is click the link in the description of this video. The first link will be the link to join my community, and it's free to join for the first 100 people. So if you're still seeing that link, go ahead and click it now, because I'll be breaking down the step-by-step process of how you can start making money with your digital products. Yes, it's completely free to join, and I'm going to reveal everything because I don't want this video to be too long, because it is long already. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed it, and join the private community so that I can show you how you can turn this into real money, exactly the way I did to turn it into over 370,000 naira in sales. Click that link now and subscribe to this channel.